Good morning, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Ako po si Bryce Erickson Hernandez, dating Assistant District Engineer ng Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office. Ako po ay na-contempt kahapon sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Habang ako po ay nakadetain, nakapag-isip po ako at nagdesisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project base po sa aking natatandaan sa ngayon. Tama po si Senator Lacson na ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay tila naging legman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon. Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon,
Senador, meron ba?
Your Honor, wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Safe ka na.
Sigurado po.
I resent that statement, Mr. Chair. I resent that statement.
Safe ka na. Okay. Di ba? Safe na.
Mr. Chair, I move that you strike off the record that your
Alam mo
statement.
naman, biro lang naman yun eh. Wala yun.
Mr. Chair.
So,
ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo.
Okay, we can proceed to the next picture, please.
Yan po, sabi po nila, hindi po sila magkakilala. Baka naman po fan lang siya.
Can we state for the record who the personalities in the picture are?
Yung boss ko po, si Boss Henry Alcantara, at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
Sorry, you have to have proper decorum, please.
I'm
we have to
sorry.
state for the record the name of the person and the occasion that we are talking about.
I believe, Your Honor, ito po yung birthday sa Soler na ito nga po yung parang sa 10th po ng Soler ginawa yung birthday ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Again, to be very clear, who are the personalities? Please state for the record in this picture.
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po at saka po si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Thank you. Next picture, please. So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know when this picture was taken, but I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Please proceed. Next picture, please.
So,
All right,
Uh,
there is a text.
Your Honor,
I think this is a Viber message.
yes, that's disappearing message, Your Honor.
Can you read, Engineer Bryce, the name of the person that is there, that is stated in the Viber message, and the content of the message, please?
Your Honor, if may I recommend Engineer JP Mendoza to read the actual message because he's the one who took the photos personally from our boss Henry Alcantara.
All right. Sige po, pakibasa na lang po. This is the final slide.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Before I proceed, kagaya rin po sana ng request ni Engineer Bryce kanina dahil medyo maselan po itong conversation na to, baka pwedeng mag-request din po sana ako ng security kung sakali.
Yes po. The committee commits to the safety and security of the witnesses and these persons who are here, who are committed to the truth. No, so the same will be granted to Engineer Mendoza. You may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, yung picture po na yan ay nung October 2023 na kung saan nagre-request po si Senator Joel ng yung mga binasa po ni Engineer Bryce ng flood control kanina na nakasaad doon sa context. 4 lang po yung napapicturan sa akin ng boss ko. Kumbaga, parang sa summary po na yan na sinasabi ni Senator Joel na mababa lang yung kanyang pondo, subalit siya ang majority floor, isa siyang majority floor leader siya nung that time and member siya ng Commission on Appointment.
Okay. So, thank you for providing the context, but you have to state for the record who you are, who this person is. Is this senator? Nakalagay na po kasi Sen Joel eh. So, is this the senator that we know? Joel Villanueva?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you read for the record also the content, the specific content of the message?
Again, naguguluhan ako bigla kay Sec. Parang nakalimutan ba niya? Number 1, probs sa flood control and all the efforts we put in. Number 2, for his CA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin. Pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary.
All right. Do we have another slide for us? Oh, ito mas malinaw po.
Mr. Chair, clarification lang. Kanino sinend yung message and sino yung SEC? When dun sa message, you're referring to a SEC. Sino yung SEC?
Secretary Manny Bunoan po.
Okay? Kanino sinend yung message na yan?
Kay Boss Henry po.
Okay,
Bakit
thank
kami
you.
kopya?
Dahil disappearing message po yan, hindi po niya pwedeng screenshot. Pinapicturean po niya para mabasa po.
Ah, okay. Kanino pinapicturan?
Sa akin po.
All right. Thank you. So, phone to basically ni District Engineer Alcantara. All right. Next slide. Do we have other slides? Can we go back again? Go back to the pangalawang ano yan, di ba? Can we read for the record? Excuse me po. Mano. Can we ayan, second slide. Next slide. Yan. Can we read for the record what is in the second message? Para lang po malinaw. Again, this is a conversation supposedly between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, which is supposedly a disappearing message, no? Tapos pinicturean po. Pinapicturean kay Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po. Can you read it for the record, please?
For his CA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin, pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary. Ngayon parang lumalabas same na ang 1 and 2. Pag-usapan namin bukas boss. So can relate to SEC po.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Next slide. This is another slide which is the same context. All right. Sige po, just read it for the record. This is another slide. Conversation between Senator Joel and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po.
Yes boss, see you po bukas 6 p.m. sa GIL. Majority leader tayo, hindi kong or just one CA member. Yes, boss, I will.
All right. That is clear. Next slide, please.
May atraso DPWH sa
Sorry,
akin.
I have to provide the context. Again, this is another screenshot. This is the fourth picture. Conversation between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Picture taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Please proceed with reading the contents.
May atraso DPWH sa akin. So if he treats me na isa lang issue, he's not respecting me.
All right. Nabasa na ba? All right. Next slide, please. Who is this person? Who?
That's from my phone, Your Honor. This is maybe nagkabaliktad po. Yung susunod po ang una. Ito po. This was way back 2022. The time when Beng Ramos was introduced to me by my boss, D. Alcantara. And sinabi niya dito na may project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara sa kanya. So, from WJ Construction, yung ano po, yung tao. And related sa kanya si Miss Beng Ramos, which is staff of Senator Jinggoy. Dito po is
So,
conversation,
excuse me, before proceeding, can we state for the record again who is Beng Ramos?
staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Staff of Senator Beng Ramos is a staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Yes po, Your Honor.
All right, please proceed.
This was the time na meron pong project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara kay Miss Beng Ramos through Miss Mina of WJ Construction. So, yun po yung ginamit na license or contractor. At nandyan po yung pag-uusap kung kailan po magde-deliver ng obligasyon dahil kailangan po ni Boss Henry.
All right. Sige po. Okay. Hindi, okay na. All right. Sige po. We will give District Engineer Henry Alcantara, before proceeding to the different topic na po, we will give you the right to reply.
Yung pong huling picture, wala naman pong binabanggit na ako po yan eh. Siya po ang kausap. Yung una po, yung kay Senator Joel, ang tanda ko po dyan, nagre-request po siya ng mga multipurpose building, the secretary at that time. Tapos po, nung nandun po kami sa hearing sa Senate, kinausap ko po siya, sabi niya, nagre-request ako kay secretary, pa-follow up po na lang. Ilan po yan? Wala naman po nakalagay dyan na ako'y may transaksyon ng financial sa kanya. Nagre-request po siya, normal lang po, nagre-request po siya ng multipurpose building, additional po sana, para mailagay po sa Bulacan po. Yun lang po, Your Honor.
All right,
Chair,
thank you.
Mr. Chair, 1 minute. Tanong ko lang, yung dun sa pera, ano explanation niya po?
Your Honor, yung pera po na yun, yung nasa bahay na po yun, I think po, yan po ay pera ng contractor po na nakolekta, nagamit ang ibang lisensya, doon lang po dinala, at nagkatuwaan po na picturean po yan. That's not for the proponent, Your Honor.
All right.
Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. At ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Ang mga
saglit na interjection lang. After the statement of Sir Bryce, may we have the copy of his statement para po makapagtanong din yung mga members based on his ongoing statement.
If that is practicable, Deputy Speaker, we will ask him to do it, but it is a written, handwritten statement. So I think we have to listen to his entire salaysay first. Please proceed with the line items, please.
Let me repeat it, Your Honor. First, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mercado, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an allocation of 60 million pesos. Number 2, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate at Mambog Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 45 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Iba, Hagonoy, Bulacan, amounting to 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Calero Creek, Phase 3, Malolos City, Bulacan, with an amount of 50 million pesos. Construction of flood control structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mayto, Kalumpit, Bulacan, with an amount of 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigation structure with pumping station and floodgate at Barangay Santo Rosario Creek, Phase 3, Malolos City, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And last, construction of flood mitigation structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And all of that with a total of 355 million pesos, Your Honor.
This is supposedly the allocation of which political personality?
Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada po, Your Honor.
Thank you for the clarification. You can proceed with reading the handwritten statement.
Chair, may I continue?
Let him finish the handwritten statement. Tapos lang po yung handwritten statement ng pagbasa.
Nagbaba po si Senator Jinggoy at ang kanyang SOP dito ay 30%. As per our District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Dineliver ito nung lumabas ang mga item na to sa GAA. Mga driver namin sa DPWH Bulacan First ang nag-deliver sa kausap nila. Si Christian Santiago at saka si Andre Balatbat. Galing din ito sa utos ni D. Alcantara. Noong 2023 naman, ay naglabas ng 600 million si Senator Joel Villanueva at ang SOP nito ay 30% din. If I'm not mistaken, sorry. Pwede kong sabihin ko po kung anong mga projects to, mga line item din.
Please proceed with disclosing the line items so the nation may able to tie the line item to the political personality involved.
First, rehabilitation of flood control structure along Balagtas River, Barangay Panginay, Tuwawa, Phase 3, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure, Station 12, plus 589 to Station 12, plus 739, at Barangay Bambang, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 4 plus 204 to Station 4 plus 354 at Barangay Turo, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3 plus 036 to Station 3 plus 236 at Barangay Kaingin, Bukawe, Bulacan. Construction of this also has an amount of 75 million pesos. Number 5, construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 5 plus 466 to Station 5 plus 667 at Barangay Bunlo, Bukawe, Bulacan, with also an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3 plus 533 to Station 3 plus 683 at Barangay Santol, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos also. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 7 plus 654 to Station 7 plus 804 at Barangay Dalig, Balagtas, Bulacan, also with an amount of 75 million pesos. And last is the construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 14 plus 124 to Station 14 to 200 plus 274 at Barangay San Juan, Balagtas, Bulacan, also with an amount of 75 million pesos, and all in all with a total of 600 million pesos.
Can you state again for the record the total amount and that this is the projects for which particular political personality?
600 million pesos last 2023 from Senator Joel Villanueva.
Thank you. Please proceed with your handwritten statement.
At ang SOP nito ay 30% din. Binigay din ito nung lumabas sa GAA at i-deliver sa bahay niya sa Bukawi ni D. Alcantara at dating hepe ng aming construction si Engineer JP Mendoza. Si D. Alcantara namin ang masasabing chief implementor. Siya po ang kumakausap sa lahat ng politiko na involved dito. At least 3% po siya sa lahat ng projects na dumadaan sa opisina namin. At pinapasabi pa nga sa amin sa mga kontraktor na kung gusto niyong magkaroon ng maraming projects sa susunod, ay magbigay kayo ng additional na 2% sa kanya. Parang finder's fee daw. Si D.E. Henry Alcantara po ang usually nagde-deliver sa mga politiko at kay Yusek Robert Bernardo po. Pasensya na po, ito pa lang po ang aking mga masasabi sa ngayon. Mabigyan lang po ako ng sapat na oras pagkakataon na makausap ang aking mga abogando. Handa na po akong maglabas ng lahat ng nalalaman ko pa. Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair.
I still have, may I be